Why money is blocked in your life? This forward prayer brought Rs 50 lakh to my client in just 90 days. Your turn now. You are working so hard, but money just doesn't come. You apply for job, rejected. You start a business, it fails. You try manifestation, nothing happens. You are talented, you are educated, you are hardworking, but money is completely blocked in your life. Stop. Listen to me carefully. You are not cursed. You are not unlucky. This is not your fault. You have invisible money blocks created by your past trauma, your past wounds, your family pattern, your childhood beliefs, and your home's energy. But today, I am going to teach you the ancient Hawaiian healing technique that cleared these blocks for thousands of people. This is called hooponopono healing technique. It is a more than 200-year-old Hawaiian healing prayer. Here is what you have to do. First, take 100% responsibility and say, I take full responsibility for my money situation. I take 100% responsibility for my current money situation. Now speak these four phrases directly to money. Yes, like money is a person sitting in front of you and you are telling money, I'm sorry money, please forgive me money, thank you money, I love you money. That's one round. You have to do this 108 times twice a day. Once in the morning, once before you sleep. Why does this work? Because money blocks are guilt, shame, fear stored in your subconscious mind. These four phrases dissolve them. You are healing your relationship with money at the soul level. When you do this, miracles happen. My client Rajesh was 15 lakh rupees in debt, but he cleared all his debt in 4 months. Priya couldn't find work for 2 years, but she got her dream job in 18 days. Sarah's business was dying. Now she is making 30 lakh rupees yearly. This is not magic, this is healing. And healing changes everything. Do you want my personal help to clear all your blocks? I offer one-on-one hooponopono healing session where we identify your specific money wounds, your specific money blocks, and heal them together. Link in bio below. Book now. Comment heal me below. Share this with one person who is struggling with money. It could change their life. Hello everyone. I am Braj Nayak, international hooponopono healer from Nepal. Let's heal your money story together. You deserve abundance in your life. Thank you.